The tufted titmouse Biolophus bicolor is a small, non-migratory songbird native to the eastern United States. Belonging to the family Paridae, which includes other small, agile songbirds such as chickadees and titmice, the tufted titmouse is known for its distinctive appearance and lively behavior. Scientific classification. Scientific name, Biolophus bicolor. Family, Paridae. Order, Passeriformes. Class, Aves. Physical appearance. The tufted titmouse is a small bird, measuring about 5.5 to 6.3 inches, 14 to 16 centimeters, in length and weighing between 0.7 to 1.0 ounce, 20 to 28 grams. One of its most notable features is the prominent crest or tuft on its head, which gives the bird its common name. The crest is a small, erect feather arrangement that is particularly striking. The plumage of the tufted titmouse is a mix of soft gray and white. Its back and wings are a pale gray, while its underparts are white. A subtle rust color can be seen on the flanks. The bird has a short, stout, black bill and dark eyes, which complement its overall appearance. Habitat and distribution. Tufted titmouse inhabit a wide range of environments across the eastern United States, from southern Maine and southern Ontario down to eastern Texas and northern Florida. They prefer deciduous and mixed woodlands, especially areas with mature trees, but they are also found in urban parks, gardens, and suburban areas. The birds are adaptable and can thrive in various forested habitats, provided there are sufficient trees for nesting and foraging. Behavior. Tufted titmouse are known for their energetic and inquisitive behavior. They are non-migratory and tend to stay within their breeding range year-round. These birds are social and often form small, loose flocks outside the breeding season. They are highly acrobatic, frequently hanging upside down or flitting from branch to branch while foraging. Their calls are a series of high-pitched, whistled phrases, often described as peter-peter-peter. Diet. The diet of the tufted titmouse consists primarily of insects, seeds, and berries. In the spring and summer, they focus on insects such as beetles, caterpillars, and spiders, which provide essential protein for breeding and chick rearing. During the fall and winter months, their diet shifts more towards seeds and berries, including those from plants like holly and dogwood. They are also known to cache food, storing it in various locations to retrieve later when resources are scarce. Breeding and nesting. Breeding typically occurs from March to July. The tufted titmouse builds its nest in a cavity or an artificial nesting box, often using old woodpecker holes or pre-existing cavities. The female constructs the nest using a variety of materials such as leaves, feathers, and moss, lining it with soft downy materials. She lays a clutch of 4 to 7 eggs, which she incubates for about 12 to 14 days. Both parents are involved in feeding the chicks, which fledge approximately 16 to 20 days after hatching. After fledging, the young birds remain dependent on their parents for a short time before becoming more independent. Conservation status. The tufted titmouse is classified as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. It has a stable population trend and is widespread throughout its range. Habitat loss and fragmentation are potential threats, but the bird's adaptability to various environments, including urban and suburban areas, helps mitigate these risks. They are also not considered to be at significant risk from predation or disease. Cultural significance. In various cultures, the tufted titmouse is appreciated for its lively presence and attractive appearance. It is a common sight at bird feeders and is a favorite among birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Its presence in gardens and parks often brings joy to people, symbolizing cheerfulness and the beauty of nature. Additionally, the tufted titmouse plays a role in education and conservation programs, helping to raise awareness about the importance of preserving natural habitats and supporting local wildlife. Overall, the tufted titmouse is a resilient and charming bird with a prominent role in its ecosystem and cultural significance in human societies. Its adaptability and engaging behavior continue to make it a beloved species among bird enthusiasts and casual observers alike. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more related contents about nature.